BeyerDynamic DT1990 Pro. Cracking headphones, amazing headphones, and on top of it you can actually change those ear pads to give you a really different sound. Now, if you don't know, first of all, open back headphones like these, so there is some kind of sound slightly bleeding out, give this extra wide spectrum or stage as they call it. So basically it sounds like three-dimensional sound rather than coming from headphones. So sometimes I watch some movies and I remove my headphones because I think there is something going on behind me somewhere, and it's not, it's in the movie. So it's amazing. Now, I've got those two, what do you call them, those types of earbuds. So first of all, by factory, they come with two types, the balanced ones, so with lots of holes here, and then those highly analytical ones. They give even more treble, you know, those higher frequencies, they make them even more pronounced, which is really not so great for listening. I do not enjoy it. I don't do really so much analytical listening, and even when I do, it's too much. So these are good. It's still, I would prefer a bit more bass. So then I tried these by Deconi. That's the box, and you'll find the link below. And for me, they have too much bass now, actually, because these already have a nice bass, but with the original, those balance pads, the bass is, I wouldn't say subdued. It's a little, it's not as like boom, boom. It's not full rich. It's beautiful, it's nice, but there is something slightly missing in that bass. It's difficult to describe. You need to listen to it yourself, basically. You need to hear it yourself to appreciate it. It's a good bass, it's not bad, but I would prefer it to be tiny bit richer, and just to compensate for the richness of the treble of higher frequencies with the original ones, the balanced version. So cracking headphones, get them, buy yourself those extra pads. I think I want to try the hybrid version, which is more expensive than this. I haven't got it yet. There are some good reviews about it, but again, it's a matter of taste. So some reviewers say these are the best headphones, better than Sennheiser or better than, what is the other brand? Whatever the other brands are, these are the best ones. I don't know. I haven't got experience with the others, but these are cracking ones. I love listening to them. The sound is a bit funny sometimes, you know. It's like, you know, I've got this phone, Oppo X5 Pro, which it takes great photos, but when I look at them, they look a little bit funny. But then when I compare them with other photos, with photos from other phones, these actually look best. And it's this actually over 500,000 people decided the same thing. There was a blind test and they chose this phone as taking the best looking photos. And it's kind of the same thing with these headphones. The sound is a bit funny, but it sounds the best if you compare it with other headphones, you know. So it's a matter of getting used to it. And when I put them on and I listen to something, after, you know, half a minute, maybe a minute, I get used to it. If it sounds funny, I get used to it. And for some songs, my God, they are amazing. Some songs sound so fantastic. It's indescribable. You have to try it. So just, get these headphones, experiment with different pads, and you're not gonna regret it, I hope. Okay? Now, this is a good time to press the like button and click on the links below. Thanks for watching. Cheers.